Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this shadow mutated fish in Abyss Roblox. So the shadow mutation is one of the most mysterious and visually stunning variants in Abyss, and it's known for its smoky black particles and high self-value multiplier. And catching one of these is a true mark of an elite angler. And in here, I'm going to show you the secrets to help you pull the void from the water. So this shadow fish usually spawn at night. Unfortunately here, it's just turned days now, but if it's night here, the best way to spot it is of course you need to use the radar. So you can just click on it, and once you see the shadow tag, because usually the shadow fish is black, so it doesn't visually visible, so you need to use the radar. And if it's just maybe clownfish or a tank, you can just easily cut it, but if it's a bigger fish, you need to have a proper gun. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. And I'll see you on the next one.